Starting with the backrest, ensure that armrest hole is on the same side as the armrest. Pull the cover over the backrest. Push the excess fabric into the backrest. Connect the armrest hole Velcro under the armrest. Behind the seat, pull the flap you pushed into the backrest. Tuck it up and attach the Velcro over it. For the bottom cover, ensure the bottom flap is on the same side as the seatbelt. Push the back of the bottom into the backrest. Behind the seat, pull the bottom flap as much as possible. Then, bring the side flap around tightly and secure it with the Velcro under the top flap. In the front, push the straps under the seat and receive them at the back. Here is how not to fasten the straps. Notice how it can easily be loosened? That is because you must feed the strap through the front middle insert first. Then, weave it down to the lowest insert. Now the strap is secured. Same thing for the other strap. On the door side of the seat, tuck the seat cover into the side plastic. After aligning this cover, pull it over the armrest. Now you have successfully installed your new covers. We hope you enjoy them.